Sometimes you're not gonna have it all figured out, and that's okay. That's just part of life. But in the moments where it feels like all the walls are caving in, that's when you need to stand your ground. Look the thing that scares you straight in the eyes and deal with it, because there's no way around it. You either face it, or it slowly eats you while you run. And the truth is that everything's gonna feel bigger when you stand back and look at it all at once. So don't. Take one step, and then another, and eventually you'll find yourself somewhere that you never thought you could reach. Walking into the unknown is one of the hardest things we do, but there's something beautiful that's waiting for us on the other side of fear, and it's worth it. So don't stop here. Don't lose hope. You didn't come this far just to get stuck, because one day you're gonna look back at this version of you, the one that almost gave up, and you're gonna be happy you did it.